Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. You're welcome to Insights with Dara. So today we'll be learning how to cut a puff sleeve. So the first thing to do is to get your armhole round of the clothes you are working on. So here we are working with armhole 9. We have 9 inches here. So you get the midpoint of 9 inches, which is 4.5. At the point where you have 4.5, you mark 3.5 down. Then at this other edge here, you mark 6.5 inches. So you connect from this angle down to this place. So I'm going to connect like this. So this is it here. I'll connect it like this. Then your sleeve round 10 inches. Then your seam allowance 2 inches. Then you can connect it. You might not want it to be sharp connection to it, so you can just go down, let me say by 1 inch at the angle here. So this is it. Then you cut like this. This is the first method. So the second method is using a plain sleeve to cut the puff sleeve. If you don't know how to cut a plain sleeve, you can just go and check out my video on how to cut a plain sleeve. So this is a plain sleeve here. So you get additional, this is 4.5 inches at the top here. So this is how we are going to curve it. We'll just follow what we have here and mark it to the upper part here. So this is the other method. You have your plain sleeve already, then you add like 4.5 inches to the top. So we are going to sew it now, so you'll be able to understand how to sew it better. So I'll have to notch the midpoint here, or notch the center. Then I'll mark like 6 inches here, then 6 inches to this other part. So I'll go and sew from here down to here. So let's go and sew. So this is it. We're going to sew, as you can see. Then we'll pull it. You remember we are sewing a puff sleeve, so use the draw it as gathers here. We'll pull it. So we're going to pull it. I think I'll just have to use my hand. So this is what we have here. So this is it. This is the puff at the upper part. So the next thing is just for you to sew it down here. But this is the first method here, as you can see. Then the second method, here is it. We'll still pick the same 6 inches at this side. Then the other side also we'll mark 6 inches. Then we will sew from here to here. So let's go and sew. So this is it. We've gone ahead to sew. So we'll just pull it. You just pull it. Remember, it's supposed to be a loose stitch. So this is what we have here. You see, so you can use any method that go well with you. This is it here. So you just insert it to your sleeve, and this is the other one here. And this is the other one here. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified when I drop a video. Thank you so much for watching. Please kindly share this video to your friends. Bye.